Then I'm going to cut my vegetables open and put them right in the pan on top of the butter. Then I'm going to go ahead and add my stir fry right in the pan on top of the butter. I'm going to use some Mrs. Dash seasoning to season my vegetables. I'm also going to use some cayenne pepper. And a little bit of Morton's Nature seasoning. You want your vegetables to be seasoned so they taste good. Now I'm just going to stir that all up and let that cook down a little bit. Next, I'm going to cover them and let them steam a little bit. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the shrimp to my stir fry. And just let that cook down. Then I'm going to go ahead with my Thai sweet chili sauce and some pure honey. And that is going to be my sauce for my stir fry. You don't need a lot, just a little. Pour that all over your vegetables. Add a little water to thin it out. And stir together. That looks delicious. Next, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start to prep my vegetables and chicken bowls. I'm just going ahead and I'm putting the vegetables in my meal prep bowls. Then next, I'm going to start to cook the chicken. I'm going to coat the pan with the butter. And then I'm just going to add the chicken. Then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add my brown rice to my boiling water. This rice cooks in like less than 10 minutes. I'm going to season my chicken with the same seasonings I season my vegetables with. The Mrs. Dash and the Nature's Own seasoning. And just cook that chicken up until it looks delish. And boil that rice until it's finished. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take my baked sweet potato, which I just put in the oven, and I'm going to cut it in half, and I'm going to add it to my vegetable bowls. I'm going to have the sweet potato with my chicken and mixed veggies. And I like to take the skin off my sweet potato, but you don't have to. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add my chicken to the bowls. Okay, now to the stir fry bowls. My brown rice is finished cooking and I'm adding just a little salt and pepper to give it a little bit of flavor. Then I'm going to take my measuring cup, my 1/4 measuring cup, and I'm just going to scoop some rice out and put it in the bowls. I put it in the measuring cup because even though brown rice is a good starch, I don't want a lot of starch, so 1/4 is just enough. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my stir fry to the bowls. And the bowls were looking kind of skimp after I put the stir fry in. So I decided to cook up some broccoli and add some extra broccoli, some extra veggies to this meal. And I just steamed this broccoli right in the microwave. Just put the broccoli in a bowl, put some water in it, some seasoning, and microwave it. And now the meal prep is finished. I'll also have some lemon water before any meal. And you just need a lemon, cayenne pepper, a cup, and a knife. I'm just going to cut my lemon. And squeeze all of the juice out of the lemon. You don't need a whole lemon, you just need a slice. Then I'm going to take some cayenne pepper and put a dash in the cup. Not too much. Then I'm just going to add some hot water and drink up. This helps your metabolism speed up, and it cuts down on the fat. So right here, I just went to the MyFitnessPal app and I entered in everything I cooked and calculated the calorie count. The rice was only 45 calories. The grilled chicken was only 100 calories. The vegetable mix was 40 calories. The Asian stir fry was 40 calories. And I also added in the butter and the sweet chili sauce and the honey. Each meal individually total up to about 250 calories to 300 calories. And yeah, there you have it.
My boyfriend is calling me.
If you're looking for a quick low-calorie breakfast option, here you can have 2 scrambled eggs, which only total up to 140 calories. Add a little salt and pepper to season. And I shouldn't have added cheese, y'all, but I love cheese. I couldn't help it. And to go with these eggs, I just grilled up some sausage links. These sausage links are only 140 calories for 3 links. So I had 3 sausage links and 2 scrambled eggs. And I also had an apple with my warm lemon water, of course. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and comment down below and let me know what you think. And subscribe. Until next time, guys.